Hello, this is 12-watt ceiling light. This video will introduce more about installation. This is manual. These are components for installation. Anchorings, tapping screws, wiring caps, fast connectors. There is one chassis on the back side we can rotate to take out. Let's remove old style and install new ceiling light. Firstly, fix the chassis should be put in correct location. If the chassis is not in right position, it will cause problem. If you're nervous, don't worry. The plug will help you connect wires. Now we make it ready to use. Connect black to black. Then white wires. It's no need to connect the earth wire because it's plastic lamp. If the wires are blue and brown colors, we connect brown to black. Then connect blue wire to white wire. If the ceiling is with junction box, it's also no problem to install it. For any question, please contact with us. We will do what we can to assist you. Welcome to visit our website and contact with us.